I just came home from work. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I don't want to cook for 3 hours. I'm gonna show you a quick 30-minute curry. Let's go! Start by cutting the sweet potatoes, covering them with boiling water, some salt, and put them in the microwave for 17 minutes. Next, you're going to chop the onions, ginger, and garlic and let that saute in the pan until they are lovely and soft. Add the curry powder and toast that for about a minute to unlock the flavor. Add the chicken, salt, barbecue spice, and lemon and let it simmer for a bit. Add the coconut cream, a big splash of dark soy sauce, and a little squeeze of honey. Let this come to a boil, and when the sweet potato is done, you can add that in with a splash of the water to help thicken the sauce. Let it cook down and sprinkle with some parsley. Serve it with any type of veg you like. You're gonna love this.